Okay, so this is day 23 and I finally found a water source. And I'm so happy because all I had was this left. Not a lot of my water left. So I'm gonna have a sip of this. Oh shit, I'm so glad because I'm thirsty and I haven't been drinking because I don't know where the next water source is gonna be. Except now I found it and it's right here. Can you see that? Wait a second, where's my hand? There we go. Right here. That's probably not a really good shot, but wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait for it. Wait for it. Oops-a-daisy. A bit more. There we go. Yes. Oh my goodness gracious. You wouldn't believe how sometimes you start getting desperate, and I'll tell you, I was starting to get desperate and I didn't see anybody really around. So now, oh God. Oh. Don't laugh, man. You got to do the walk to find out. I'm going to put more water in there before I leave. Don't laugh at me because I'm telling you, sometimes you don't know when you're going to get more water. And you're not gonna start carrying tons of bottles around. You know what I mean? No, you're not. You're gonna think, well, there's gonna be a restaurant. No restaurants today. There we go. You got it. And now, at least, I can continue on my walk and know that I can drink if I want to, and I won't have to worry about running out of water, man. And I know it sounds awful, because of this trust thing, and I realize it's because of that. I didn't want to run out of water because I didn't trust that I would find more water close or at any time soon, because I haven't seen a lot of water sources. And I guess it's more of a trust issue. I didn't empty it because I wasn't sure when I'd have more water. Anyways, it worked out good. I found water, got my bottle full, and now at least I can continue. I'm not that far away. I'm not done, but I'm getting closer to Ribadeo. First, Figaro, I think it's called, Figaro or Figuera. And then I got to cross this type of bridge that brings me to Ribadeo, but it brings me to a different area in Spain. And so I'll bid you adieu. Yes, I'm happy now. Day 23. Bye.